Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful vintage rustic cottage home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage rustic home decor inspiration is a decorative style that combines the natural, simple beauty of rustic design with the charm and nostalgia of vintage items. It creates a warm, cozy home that feels old-fashioned, natural, and full of character. Vintage rustic decor focuses on natural materials, used furniture, and antique-style decorations that make a home feel comfortable and timeless. It often uses wood, old metal, stone, and handmade items to create a relaxed countryside atmosphere. In this style, imperfections like chipped paint, worn old and used metal are not considered flaws. They actually add charm and history to the space. Key features of vintage rustic decor. Here are some important elements that inspire this style. First, natural materials. Vintage rustic interiors use materials from nature, such as reclaimed wood furniture, stone walls or fireplaces, old iron decor, linen, cotton, or wool fabrics. These materials bring an organic and earthy feel to the home. Uses antique or vintage furniture. Furniture often looks aged or comes from earlier decades. For example, old farmhouse tables, vintage cabinets or hutches, old wooden chairs, antique clocks or lanterns. These pieces give their room a story and historical charm. Distressed or weathered look. Many items have a distressed finish, meaning they are made to look aged or worn. This technique intentionally creates a weathered appearance to give furniture a vintage character. Warm earthy colors. Typical colors include beige, brown, cream, olive green, and soft red. The tones create a warm and cozy countryside feeling. Uses vintage accessories. Decorative accents often include messengers, old wooden crates, vintage picture frames, rustic sign, and handmade crafts. These details make the home feel personal and nostalgic. Why people love vintage rustic inspiration? Many homeowners love this style because it feels warm and cozy. Use eco-friendly reclaimed materials. Adds character and personality to a home, blends old and new elements beautifully. Vintage rustic decor equal old-fashioned charm plus natural countryside style. Vintage rustic home decor inspiration is all about creating a home that feels warm, natural, and full of old-world charm. It mixes the raw beauty of rustic elements with the nostalgic feeling of vintage spaces, making spaces feel cozy, relaxed, and timeless. Here are some more detailed information about this decor style, a blend of old and natural beauty. Vintage rustic decor combines two main ideas. First, vintage items that look antique, classic, or from past decades. Next, rustic, natural, simple materials that feel countryside inspired. When these two are combined, the result is a home that feels authentic, comfortable, and slightly aged in a beautiful way. Focus on handmade and imperfect items. In this style, items do not need to look perfect. In fact, imperfections make the decor more beautiful. Examples include slightly chipped paint on furniture, handmade pottery or ceramic bowls, hand-woven baskets, crochet or knitted decorations. These pieces make the home feel personal and lived in. Comfortable and cozy atmosphere. Vintage rustic homes are designed to feel relaxing and welcoming. Soft textures and layered fabrics help create this cozy feeling. Common cozy elements include crochet blankets, linen curtains, cotton cushions, and oven racks. These details add warmth and softness to the natural wood and metal materials. Nature-inspired decoration. Nature plays an important role in vintage rustic decor. Many decorations are inspired by plants, wood, flowers, and countryside life. Popular natural touches include dried flowers in jars, wooden trays and bowls, bronze or twig decorations, fresh greenery or small plants. This keeps the home feeling fresh and organic. Soft and muted color palette. Vintage rustic decor usually avoids bright or flashy color. Instead, it uses soft, earthy, and faded shades such as cream and ivory, soft brown, dusty blue, shades green, and warm beige. These colors make the home look calm and harmonious. Meaningful decorative pieces. Instead of filling a room with many decorations, vintage rustic design often uses a few meaningful pieces that tell a story. Examples include family heirlooms, antique clocks, vintage books, old photo frames, or rustic lanterns. These items create a sense of history and personality. Works well in many rooms. Vintage rustic inspiration can be used in almost every part of the home, such as living room with wooden furniture and cozy textiles, kitchen with open shelves and vintage chairs, bedroom with soft coils and rustic wood, bed frames, dining room with farmhouse-style tables. The goal is always to create a simple, charming countryside feeling. Vintage rustic decor makes a home feel like a peaceful countryside cottage filled with history, warmth, and natural beauty. Inspired by countryside living, vintage rustic decor is strongly inspired by old countryside homes, farmhouses, and cottages. In the past, people used simple materials available around them, such as wood, stone, and metal. These materials are still an important part of this style today. The goal is to create a home that feels peaceful, natural, and connected to rural life. Reclaimed and repurposed items. A key idea in vintage rustic decorating is reusing old items in creative ways. Instead of throwing things away, they are given a new life as decoration. Examples include old wooden ladders used as blanket holders, vintage crates used as storage shelves, mason jars used as flower vases, antique windows used as wall decor. This makes the home feel unique and eco-friendly. Simple and functional design. Vintage rustic homes focus on simplicity and usefulness. Furniture and decorations are usually practical as well as beautiful. For example, wooden benches that also provide storage, rustic baskets for organizing items, open wooden shelves for displaying dishes or jars. The design is comfortable and easy to live in, not overly fancy. Mix of different textures. An important feature of this style is the combination of different textures. Mixing rough and soft materials add depth and interest to the room. Common textures combinations include rough wood plus soft cotton fabrics. Use oven baskets plus smooth ceramics. Also use metal lanterns plus linen tablecloths. crochet pieces plus wooden furniture. This mixture creates a rich and cozy visual effect. Vintage lighting. Lighting plays an important role in creating a warm atmosphere. Vintage rustic homes often use soft and warm lighting. Popular lighting ideas include rustic lanterns, antique style pendant lights, candle holders, lamps with linen shades. These lights makes the home feel calm and inviting in the evening. Seasonal decorating. Vintage rustic decor also works beautifully with seasonal decorations. Many people update small details according to the season. For example, spring use fresh flowers and light fabrics. For summer, use natural baskets and greenery. For autumn, pumpkins and warm colors. For winter, use candles and cozy blankets. This keeps the home fresh and lively throughout the year. Handmade decorations. Handmade items are very important in this rustic style. They add a personal and artistic touch to the home. Some handmade decor ideas include crochet pillow covers, knitted blankets, handmade pottery, wooden crafts, embroidered table genres. Since you often like crochet decor, handmade crochet items fit perfectly with vintage rustic style. Vintage rustic decor is about natural materials, old-fashioned charm, handmade details, and a cozy countryside feeling. Use reclaimed wood. Decorate with reclaimed or weathered wood whenever possible. Examples: use wooden shelves, rustic coffee tables, or old wooden trays. The each texture makes the room feel more authentic and rustic. Add vintage containers. Use old containers as decorative pieces. Examples include metal buckets for plants, vintage jars for flowers, old teapots as decorative accents. These small details add nostalgic charm. Decorate with natural elements. Bring nature inside your home. Ideas include jade flowers, pine cones in bowls, wooden bowls or trays, small potted plants. Natural items make the space feel fresh and organic. Use crochet and handmade textiles. Handmade items work beautifully with vintage rustic decor. You can use crochet table genres, crochet pillow covers, crochet blankets, or handmade lace toilets. This creates a soft and cozy atmosphere. Choose distressed furniture. Furniture with slightly worn or distressed look fits perfectly in this style. Examples: whitewashed cabinets, antique style dressers, rustic wooden chairs. This gives the room old-world character. Display vintage kitchenware. Vintage rustic kitchen often display items in a state of weathering them. Try displaying old platters on open shelves, copper pots, wooden cutting boards. This creates a warm farmhouse feeling. Use soft, neutral colors. Decorate with calm and warm colors such as cream, beige, soft gray, light brown, and shade green. These shades make the space look relaxed and timeless. Add rustic wall decor. Walls can highlight the vintage rustic style. You can hang wooden sign, vintage frames, old mirrors, rustic wall shelves. This adds personality and charm to the room. Use oven baskets for storage. Oven baskets are both practical and decorative. They can be used to store blankets, magazines, yarn, or crochet supplies. They have texture and rustic warmth. Keep the space simple. Vintage rustic decor looks best when it is not overcrowded. Choose a few meaningful pieces instead of too many decorations. This helps maintain a peaceful and cozy atmosphere. Vintage rustic decorating is about natural materials, handmade touches, and warm vintage charm. Vintage Rustic Home Decor inspiration is a decorating style that combines the natural, simple beauty of rustic design with the charm and nostalgia of vintage items. It creates a warm, cozy home that feels old-fashioned, natural, and full of character. Many homeowners love this style because it feels warm and cozy, uses eco-friendly reclaimed materials, adds character and personality to a home, blends old and new elements beautifully. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.